A very interesting time ahead. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the weather pros. We're going to talk about a couple things that are going to be happening over the next few days, from severe weather straight to snow. And that could include the Delaware Valley, the Roanoke Valley, and the Northeast. So let's take a look at what's going on. We're taking a look at 3K NAM, and I did this for the purpose of showing you what's going to happen tomorrow and into Sunday. We're going to have some overshooting precipitation. You see some of this freezing rain, a little snow. There's going to be a warm front laying across the area. And this will actually trigger showers to even some thunderstorms tomorrow, which some may be severe. We'll take a look at the Storm Prediction Center information in a minute. But it's going to be interesting as we see this precipitation out to the west moving east. And that could cause showers and thunderstorms, some with damaging winds and hail, to occur in the Roanoke Valley and also areas to the south. When we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center, we'll look for a few things. One being a marginal risk. That's going to actually be sitting here from the Roanoke Valley west. Main threat is going to be hail. Not a huge risk, but it does show situations for severe weather. Also back here through the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Damaging winds, hail. I can't ever rule out an isolated tornado. Could be the issue for the weather tomorrow. Beyond that, severe weather looks likely to increase over the Midwest with showers and thunderstorms in a slight risk area here. The probability of there is actually increasing, and we will see that. And then days 4 through 8, we actually have a risk in our days 4 through 8, so of severe weather across the southeast here specifically would be Monday. So we have to keep an eye on that here across South Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi. Those areas may be severe. Here we're going to go beyond that and look what's going to happen on the GFS model. As we head into the day tomorrow, like I said, we have some chances, some light precipitation into Sunday. And you'll see what's going on here. It'll start then, a next coastal system will start up for the day on Tuesday. You see New Jersey, Philadelphia, Harrisburg. And then Wednesday occurs, and we get some heavier snow back here in the Roanoke area. So cold air damming and a new low develops. So this is a double barrel system, and then it could affect Massachusetts and vice versa before we turn to all rain chances by the time we get April Fool's Day and Easter. But man, chances of snow up through March 24th in this area, it's pretty interesting, and we got to keep an eye on it. So what are we going to do now? We're going to look at no accumulation potential. And this is actually very similar to what the Euro is showing, making it even more interesting. Well, by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday, we're looking at probably a couple inches of snow in many areas. And this thing is taking its good old time loading. There's Tuesday, 2 to 4 inches in the Delaware Valley, and boom. By Thursday, 6 inches. 6 inches in Roanoke. That's a lot of snow in the area. So we got to keep an eye out on it. And we will here at the Weather Pros and LiveWeatherBlogs.com. I'll put the HRR model on for tomorrow, so you can take a look at the thunderstorm potential here with reflectivity closer, and then look at some severe weather modeling here. And I always do this so you can see this. That's why we have a little bit longer. The model's running slower, plus I wanted to show you multiple things happening here. This is the high resolution rapid reflectivity model, or the HRR model. And you see what's going on here. The low pressure back here, there's showers and thunderstorms ahead of it. And it's taking a good old time to load, but you see the progression to the east. going on with these storms. This is going to progress to the east and will likely have an impact when it gets into the Roanoke Valley tomorrow even. There we go. Showers and thunderstorms will be moving in tomorrow evening into the area, moving to the east. So damaging winds, hail, and even isolated tornadoes can be ruled out as it moves across the area. There you go. Pulling the AM nest up so I can try to get the information with the sounding here for tomorrow. We do have some slight changing of wind with height here in the Roanoke Valley, and we do have some turning, so we have to watch it. Nothing way off the chart, but something we gotta definitely keep an eye on, and we will. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.